Today I'm going to show you how to resize images on Mac using the preview app. So here I have got an image, as you can see, and let's open it by double clicking this image. And then this image is now open on the preview app. Now we go to Tools menu and then adjust size. So the first options we have here is that the pixels, so we can go with customs or we can go with any of these available dimensions. So I suggest you go with customs, and then we have width and height. So now let's change it. As you can see, if I change the width here, the height automatically change because two of these are connected. As you can see, this little thing is locked. However, you can detach them and then you can input your desired height as well selectively. Right, and then here we can change the resolution. Now it is 200, we can make it 100. And here if we uncheck this scale proportionally option, you see it becomes unlock. That means height and width will not be changing automatically. If you keep it lock, then it is lock. And then you also can uncheck resample image, but I suggest you keep it as it is. And then you also can change the resolution size. By default it is 100%. You can go with this and then other available dimensions. I suggest you go with 100%. Right, so now as you can see, this image size is 3.1 MB. However, let's change it. Yeah, pixel, it's easier. So yeah, now we can change it to, let's say, this. So as you can see here, the file size has been changed. Before it was 3.1 MB and now it is just 482 KB. So hit OK and it has become smaller, and I think the quality is quite good. However, you can follow another method, and that is go to File menu and from there export, and you can choose the file location where you want to export it. And then here you can change the file format, like now it is JPEG, and then you can go with JPEG to 2000, PDF, PNG, or whatever you prefer. As you can see, as I have changed the file format to 2000, the file size has been increased. So let's go to JPEG, and then here you can set the quality. So if I increase the quality, the file size increase to 2.6 MB, and if you want to keep the file size lower, you can just decrease the quality. So that's how the file size will be reduced, and then save. So friends, this is how you can resize images on Mac using the preview app. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.